Are hyperlinks not opening in Microsoft Outlook when you click them? This can happen because of incorrect browser settings, Windows registry issues, or a problem with Outlook itself. In this video, we'll show you some simple and effective methods to fix the hyperlinks are not working in Outlook error and get your links opening normally again. Follow each method step by step to resolve the issue quickly. Open Microsoft Outlook from your desktop. Click on New Mail in the top left corner to start a new message. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Move to the subject line and enter your email topic. For example, how to add hyperlink in Outlook. Click in the email body area. Type the display text, e.g. Microsoft, and highlight the word. From the top formatting toolbar, click Link or Insert Link to open the link dialog box. In the web address field, type the full URL. For example, https://www.microsoft.com and click OK. Your selected text is now converted into a clickable hyperlink. You can hover over it to verify the URL preview. Click Send to dispatch your email. Once sent, close the Outlook application window to complete the process. And that's how you can fix the hyperlinks not working issue in Microsoft Outlook. If none of these methods work and your PST file is corrupted, SysInfoTools PST Recovery Tool can help you recover your Outlook data efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more useful Outlook and email solutions, subscribe to the SysInfoTools channel.